Hey guys, and we're back with a quick tutorial that is going to lead into some other things later on in one of my other projects. So this is getting Windows VMs for free. So this is what we're going to end up with. This is a Windows 7 VM and it's full. You know, it works complete. There's no broken bits. There's no dodgy cracker. You know, it's just Windows. And this is great for our development, software development, to have test environments to drop things in. So, where are we? We're on the Microsoft Download Center. No dodgy website, just the Microsoft Download Center. So, as you can see here, Microsoft offers their own product as a VM for testing software and websites and all sorts. So, you've got a few to pick from Windows 7 onwards. The earlier you got into this, there was other VMs, XP, and all sorts. So you just select the version of Windows you want and the version of virtualization software. So I'm using VMware. So I'm just going to hit download, and we're going to let it download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it. So we've got VirtualBox open, and we're going to go to File, Import, and then we're going to select Browse, and we're going to go to wherever you saved it. Mine's in my Downloads folder, and it is... okay, I don't know where it is. We're going to use XP instead. So here's the XP file, and we're just going to hit Open. You're going to hit Next, and we're going to leave it all the same. Next once again, and you would normally now click Finish. I don't want an XP VM, so I'm not going to click Finish. So for other guys who followed another tutorial of mine, this is Zen, and importing it in Zen is near enough the exact same. You click on the VM, you click on the machine you want to host it on, click Import, Browse, and select the file again. So XP once again, and you just hit Next. And don't hit Next too quickly. Next and Next. At this point you can change the settings in both of them whilst clicking Next, but I'm not going to bother because I'm not actually going to save it. So at this point you would just hit Finish, but once again I don't want this VM, so I'm not going to finish it. So I've already finished one of the VMs, and we're now going to have a look at it. So this is XP, this is Windows 7 even, that I have imported from the VM that you guys saw a minute ago. And as you can see, browsing around the start menu, it's a full version of Windows. The only thing I would suggest is that when you import it, the day you import it, you create a snapshot, because as the Microsoft website describes, and I'll put the link in the description, it will run out after 90 days, but it's great for our testing purposes. So until next time, guys, we will leave it at this. I'm going to change the time zone because this is completely wrong. So guys, hit the subscribe button if you want to see this channel continue. These are two videos that you might enjoy. Check some more things out on my channel. And in the description, if you want to see something, post it in there and I will see what I can do. So till next time.